This is a rare Pennsylvania property offering approximately 2.7 acres, tucked deep into the trees, set well back from the road for privacy, while still being just minutes from Interstate 79, shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences. Giving you flexibility for future development, investment, or expansion. Surrounded by mature trees and natural landscape, the setting offers a true sense of seclusion. From both inside the home and the outdoor living spaces, you're fully immersed in peaceful wooded views in nearly every direction. The existing house offers solid structure, with original hardwood floors throughout much of the interior, presenting a strong foundation for renovation or complete redesign. This is a value-driven opportunity for someone ready to bring new life into the property. While not turnkey, the home provides excellent potential for restoration, rental use, or long-term residence, depending on your vision. Outdoor living is already well established, with a large 45 by 11 covered rear porch overlooking the woods, along with a 19 by 4 screened front porch, both offering quiet spaces to relax and enjoy the natural surroundings. One of the biggest advantages is the already subdivided upper parcel, which allows for multiple